guys, it's already 10 a.m. in the morning. I wake up around 6, actually 5, because I need to cook for my partner. Graveyard kasi siya today, so I need to wake up early para maabutan ko siya, and also I need to work in advance as well. But yeah, this is another day in the life here in Vancouver, and I'm trying to create my vlog as much as possible. Like, I don't know, it's kind of nice to watch my videos pag gusto ko lang mag-pause and after work. But yeah, hopefully upload ko din siya. But my target will be probably next week. So baka nasa Philippines na ako. So this is like a day in the life, a week before going back home. And I'll be there for a very, very special ganap. And also, syempre may mga darating pang ibang ganap na I'm very excited na mangyari. But yeah, so for today's video, so right now, naanan ko lang kayo. I'm working. I have 2 monitors. One, this is his monitor, by the way. Yeah, I'm using his computer, and then I connected it to my laptop, which is here. So 2 screens tayo today. Yeah, so I can see messages here, and also ito na yung pinaka mismong screen ko. Di ko na mapakita para hindi nyo makita yung pinaka work ko. But this is my work setup, and I have here my tumbler from Chocolate. Baka naman next charot. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga mailalagay ko dito, pero I'm excited. I probably like have a quick parang mabilisang aesthetic while working. And hopefully this mic, ito, nag-work pa siya. Dahil ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit. Cheers.
It's funny you switch.
Taking a video, I'm just gonna put in my vlog.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a random vlog. Cheers, wait, this is pretty. Look.
There we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
You gotta do like this. Chin chin. Chin chin. Yeah. Right, right. Is this it?
I'm currently here at Incheon Airport. Babaliktarin ko yung camera para makita niyo. Pero katapos ko lang mag-shower. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang patayan. Katapos ko lang mag-shower and mag-open yung tour around 7 a.m. and it's already like 6:40 today. Kaya pinaspasan ko para may spot tayo. And then I'll go to 268 na gate to see if pwede na ako mag-register. I'll go straight. Laki ng airport nila, kakaloka. Anyways, let's go. Akyat ulit tayo kasi hindi pa bukas. Saktong 7 talaga sila magsa-start. Syempre bilang, you know, alam ko 30 person lang per tour, pero napa-reserve na ako just in case lang. Alam ko kailangan magpakita, so I'll probably look for a spot or space where I can work saglit, tapos lalarga tayo. I have 20 minutes. Ayan, so if for example sobrang tight nung transit nyo, layover, pwede nyong ilaban tong kay 4 karat.
city.
Slay naman ng mga ganyan.
Top 30 and meeting point in front of there is a 5 mountain sun and moon picture, okay, where the K-pop hunters
We're here in Kalbansan. Okay. Yeah, we're here at... Hindi ko alam, pero... Laban. Shit. Yung mata ko nagniningning dahil ang daming... pwedeng ganap. Probably go here to buy souvenirs. Yeah. This is Korea. Beauty outlet, girl. Stop it. I'm planning to buy a cleansing oil. So let's see what's gonna happen. Daming eksena. Ito may Korea Mart. Diba? Oh my god. So 80 pesos. Calculate ko na agad sa utak ko kung magkano sa $8. Oh my god, honey butter almond. Sa Loco, may coffee ko. Ano, definition nila. Pumunta tayo dito sa... Hindi ko alam, pumasok lang ako. Ayan, let's eat. Ang dami ko atang na-order. May meat, soup, and side dishes.
in 2018, so outer track is about 20 minutes by shuttle bus and inner track is about 10 minutes by public train. This airport is one of the world's largest airports with capacity to handle 70 million passengers and operate 4 runways. And this airport is located on an artificially created piece of land between Yeongdong and Incheon, which is planned for the construction project, effectively connecting one separate to this island. Many people think Incheon is only the name of it.
This is the entrance of the underground. This is the main.
Dami namang ganun. Pag-guard na ako, so... Sorry naman.
The sweet nuts and the black sugar, the brown sugar.
Ayan, mag-tour kayo. Check. Isama ko kayo sa ganap. Diba? May music lang eh. Baka makapiright. Wow, feeling. Oosh.
Sorry.
I got this. This is their bestseller. So Super cute. No way. Oh my god, so cute.